Good afternoon. Thank you for joining me, Dr. Jeffrey Rosenthal. We're here in Fairfield, Connecticut, and he is a plastic surgeon. He's an artist. He's a sculptor. He's the creator. And he's been voted #1 in Connecticut, not once, not twice, but many, many times. Welcome. Thanks for having me.
Yes, that's
Very, very impressive I am with you. I've been reading about you, catching up for this interview. And I'd like to just start with saying that your reputation is just flawless, and I just want to know, how did you do that? What's your crux? Where did you build this from?
You only get one reputation in life, and so you have to work very hard to maintain it and to not only make your patients happy, but I have to be happy. So that when I do surgery, I tell my patients I will work as hard as I can to create and make your face or body look well for you. But I have to be happy as well. And so no matter how long it takes me, that's how long I will work at it.
So we have a couple of different products or things that you're really known for because they're unusual, and a lot of people don't do these kinds of services. And the one I like to talk about, because I'm most curious, is the liquid facelift.
Yes.
What is it, and why is it so phenomenal?
Well, the Rosenthal liquid facelift is a grouping of procedures that are painless and get fairly instantaneous gratification, which is very nice. The first one we use are Botox products, and it's a purified protein, and it's not going to harm you. It's used on children and all ages.
Right.
And what it's used for is to balance the muscle groups of the forehead. You don't really want to put it in the lower face because you will affect the smile or the contour of the face. So you want to balance the eyebrows, you want to balance how the opening of the eyes are, and that's with Botox. The second product is called Radius. Radius is a calcium-based product that's in a gel. It's synthesized, so it's not harmful, and there's very little chance of sensitivity or allergic response. And what it actually does is it's a structural product that lifts the tissues that have fallen, and so I can contour the cheeks, contour the arch, smooth out the jawline, soften the nasolabial folds, and even build up the hollows in the temples.
With one product?
With this one product. It's a great product. It's placed very deep down in the tissues, above the bone, not into the bone. And it's fairly painless. It's mixed with an anesthetic agent, lidocaine. And so when it's applied, you actually walk out of here and you will see results right away. You get a little bit of swelling for 2-3 days, but not anything that anyone would call you on and say, oh, you're swollen. So that's an amazing product that I can actually sculpt with, because it's not just placing it, but I actually design the contours of your face. So it will draw on you. I will place the products deep down, and I will mold it with my hands.
And you're really a sculptor.
I'm a sculptor, and that's where this product I just enjoy so much. It's molding clay, it's designing your face, and it's your face. I'm not making you look anyone but yourself. I'm just lifting and supporting and building tissues that you've lost. The next product is a hyaluronic acid, which is either Juvederm or Expression. There's a few other products called Restylane out there as well. And these products plump, and they're used for around the mouth where we've lost contour and fullness. And they can be placed more superficially to lift, support, and rebuild the contours of the lips in a very pretty manner without making you look artificial or too much like a duck. It's supposed to be balanced, and everything is supposed to fit lovely together. And then we use something called an IPL, which is an intense pulse light. It's painless, and it also targets the pigment of your face, the red and the browns, and tightens the skin a little bit, helps the pores, and really rejuvenates the look of your skin. You can be used in the back of the hands, the neck, the chest area, or the face. And the last thing we do is skincare products. Skincare products remove the outer layers of skin that are non-viable, and they brighten your face and just make you overall look very nice and healthy.
So the Juvederm, or what you say, will it help with the little lines that a lot of people get as they age?
Yes, definitely.
And then with the pulsing light, does that help with broken capillaries?
It's great for broken capillaries, and it's also for the pigment that we all get from sun exposure and just normal aging.
Yes, yes. Wow. You know, it's always fun to sit across from a plastic surgeon and wonder what they're thinking when they take a look at my folds here and there. But anyway, it's very intriguing, I have to say.